Hi, Jim Burrows here at OCRVCenter here in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we're going to be delivering our customers' Dodge Power Wagons. We replaced the quarter panel on it. It's all converted. It got a shower that was damaged inside of it. The black water tank had to be replaced. This was all had a big rip in it. We'll put some pre-pictures on there as well. So make sure and give us a call, OCRV, for all your conversion van needs. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nori Fukuda. I came here to OCRVCenter because we, on the way back from Vegas, a drunk driver swiped our side here. This whole thing was all messed up, dented. So they called the insurance company. We saw OCRVCenter from online, so just a great referral. So we came here and saw Jim, and he was very responsive. Awesome job. I mean, they did this job in like 2 months. I mean, it's an amazing job what they did. So yeah, it's a 2020 Winnebago Solis. We've been using it for a couple months, and really great to be back on the road again. So we really appreciate all the work that you guys have been doing here, and thank you very much.